In open pit mining, slope conformance is crucial to ensure overall mine safety and adhere to regulatory requirements. In this video, we'll show how to use TBC mining to analyze and report on the status of mine slopes. The first step in the process is to specify which section of the mine you want to report on. So to do that, you go to the CAD tab, you select the polyline option, and you specify individual points for that section. Once that is done, open the Mines tab and click on the Extract Mining Breaklines option. Use the boundary created earlier on and specify the maximum angle within which you want those breaklines extracted from. Instead of entering a value, you can simply specify that angle on the map file. So you select 2 points and that angle will be generated automatically. Create a surface from which the analysis will be done. You can deselect the boundary and ensure that only the breaklines are extracted. And after that, a surface will be created from those selected breaklines. Go to the CAD tab and select the polyline option and create a cross-section path. This is the line along which the analysis will be done for the slopes. Click on the Mining Slope Conformance Report tab and select a boundary. Ensure that all the breaklines are enclosed within the boundary. Select a cross-section path and specify the interval along that cross-section path. These are our design parameters. And so for the bench height, we have 15. For the design pit slope angle, we have 14. And you also go ahead and define the tolerance. So a range within which a measurement is determined to be in conformance or out of conformance. After you click Apply button, a conformance report will be generated in Word format. This means the report can be customized to meet the needs of any project stakeholders. That concludes our video on slope conformance reporting in TBC mining.